Malawi should have enough maize this year, but next year could be a whole nother challenge. This African grain market overview is made possible by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. White maize prices traded as follows. Lilongwe on $180, Lusaka on $300, Songea in southern Tanzania on $210, while Harare traded on $340 in Zimbabwe. Before we get started, I know a lot of you aren't following us on our YouTube channel yet. Please double check and click on the follow button. It will help us a lot to make sure that we keep bringing you these independent market insights on a weekly basis.
Welcome to this week's podcast, where we will look at the Malawi maize market, which could come close to being self-sufficient for the 2026-27 year, period running from May 2026 to April 2027. But the following year could be a different ballgame. As always, take note, estimates in this podcast are based on information at our disposal, which in many cases are limited. This graph illustrates our Malawi maize S&D history and forecast for the 2026-27 year. For the 2026-27 year, the crop currently starting to harvest, our production forecast at 3 million tonnes versus a consumption estimate of around 3.2 million tonnes. During the 2025-26 year, Malawi imported more than it required. We should see the 2026-27 year kick off with beginning stocks of around 200,000 tonnes, which should fill the gap between our production and consumption estimate, i.e. Malawi should need minimal imports. This graph illustrates the Lilongwe maize price history. Despite Malawi being a net importer of maize during 2025-26, prices slipped well below import parity by January and remained there since. See the yellow circle. Reason being that the 2025 crop was underestimated, but by the time this was discovered, substantial imports between August and November last year had already reached Malawi, including via the government-to-government deal with Zambia. This saw prices come under pressure, exaggerated by slow maize meal demand. With the early new crop harvest that commenced mid-April, prices have slipped below $200 per tonne and now trading around $180 per tonne. With a relatively healthy supply outlook for the next 12 months, our contacts expect prices could remain under $200 per tonne short term. The big question is where prices will trade by October-November, when the planting decision needs to be made for the next summer crop. Relatively low prices combined with expensive fertilizer, not ideal to buy planting area. Throw in forecasts of an expected El Nino weather pattern for the second half of 2026 and early 2027, and the high anticipated surplus stock levels in neighboring Zambia and Tanzania could come in very handy during 2027-28. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
For detailed stock numbers, trade projections, and scenario analysis, those are all covered in Commodity Insights Africa's full weekly reports, so make sure to subscribe to them today. This episode was made possible by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Thanks for joining us this week. See you again next week.